If you're working with a team in Canva, being able to share multiple designs at once can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to share several Canva designs with your team in a smooth and organized way so everyone has access to exactly what they need. To get started, open Canva and look for the Projects tab. This is the main hub where all your designs, folders, and shared items are stored. It keeps everything organized so you don't have to hunt through individual files later. Once you're inside the projects area, the next step is to create a folder for the designs you want to share. Look for the Add New button inside your project space. When you click it, you'll see a few different options appear. Choose the folder option. This new folder will act as a clean container for all the designs you want your team to access. Now give your folder a descriptive name. Try something clear so your team instantly knows what's inside. For example, if these designs belong to a campaign, name the folder based on that project. After typing in the name, click Continue. Canva will create the folder and get it ready for you to fill. Next, go ahead and open your new folder. Inside, you'll see a button labeled Add Designs. Clicking this will allow you to browse through all of your existing Canva projects. From here, you can choose which designs you want included. Canva also makes this easy by allowing drag and drop, so you can quickly move multiple items into the folder. Take a moment to add everything you plan to share. If your designs are scattered across different sections, drag them all into this one place so your team can access everything together. Once they're added, you can also use the Move option to tidy things up and ensure everything is stored exactly where it should be. Now that your folder is fully organized, it's time to share it. Look for the Share button near the top. When you click it, a window will appear where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. Make sure their access permission is set to edit if you want them to make changes to the designs. This avoids the back and forth of sending files manually and gives your team the freedom to adjust and contribute in real time. Once you've added everyone, click Share Folder, and that's it. You've successfully created a shared space where your entire team can view, edit, and collaborate on multiple Canva designs all at once. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your creative workflow. Happy designing!